these ones that are somehow very staticky. I don't know if you can see that. I'm going to pour it. There you go. Which, I mean, this is a natural occurrence. You know, nothing is perfect, just as no product is ever perfect. There will be some of these that will, you know, happen every now and then. So you've got them that are stuck together. Okay, so it's kind of difficult. If you shake it, they just stay stuck together. And so one tip that you can do, because I got this as a question, is to just slide your forefinger across the beads. I would be a lot better at this if I wasn't pointing the tray in this kind of angle, but I want you guys to be able to see what I'm doing. So just kind of like flatten it and use the rib part of your tray, if you have one of these trays, to kind of get them in the right side up, and also to separate them. Now if it doesn't work and you still have a lot of these parts that are still stuck together, this is what I recommend. If you have one of these canvases that have a very slidey feel on their glue, what you can do is simply, this is what you do, don't freak out. Simply pour it. Let's see if you can see this. You simply pour it. So this is basically number 6. So I don't know if you see that, but that's the white part. You see that, number 6? All of that part of her halo, the white parts, that's number 6, the one that has a lot of static. So I'm just going to pour some of this down here. You see that? I think we need some more light. Sorry. Just asking Reggie to turn on the lights. Yeah, there are no lights there. Okay, great. Okay, sorry about that. I thought it was bright enough earlier. So there, can you see that? I just poured it on there. And what I'm going to do is I am just going to slide it. So I'm going to get one and I'm going to pick it and then slide it onto the number 6. Pick it, slide it onto the number 6. Do the same thing with the rest until I have basically slid all of the glass beads onto the areas that they should be in. Now let me try to give you a closer look of this. Let's see if my phone will... Okay. See, you can see, flip it over and then slide it. Flip it over and then slide it in place. Just keep repeating it until you've got all of the areas that you need to bead. And it really just stays because thankfully this is the kind of canvas that's pretty slidey. I don't know what kind of glue it used, but it's not as it's kind of like, if it were another kind of material, it would be like a tackier type of material. So it gives you a lot of ability to be able to just slide the beads in place. As you can see, I'm just sliding it, see? And it's not ruining the canvas. It's just sliding along, but if you press it down, it stays pretty stuck. So just keep sliding it in. And I think that I finished all. Oh, we've got one here, so we're putting that over there. And I think that's about it. See? So let's do that again. Let's pour a bunch. Can you see how staticky it is? Okay, poured some. And now we're gonna slide it in place. Slide it in place. Slide it. And just keep doing that same thing. So it's kind of like working your way through a maze. Just keep finding those open areas, so try not to close in on the numbers that you won't be able to slide it across the open areas. So try to work with the areas that are further away before you go to the rest of the areas. So Rocket's watching me right now. Hey, Rocket. I can even slide it out of the canvas's glued area. As you can see, I'm sliding it here and then moving it back in here. That way you don't have to pick it up. Because obviously if it refuses to get picked up, then you just slide it along the canvas. Once again, this is easier with both hands so that you can use your other hand to just hold on to the canvas. But I think I did all of it. Yeah? There you go. So that's one way to be able to get the beads if they are full of static, such as these ones. So look at that. All stuck together. But that's okay. Not the end of the world. So hopefully that answered your question. In the meantime, thanks for watching my video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. And please do subscribe to the channel. Once again, thank you for your comments. If I don't respond right away, I promise I do respond as soon as I can. Bye.